Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the controller and app so changes stick. First, plug the controller in or ensure batteries are charged. This prevents disconnects while you tweak values. Open the Xbox Accessories app on your console or PC and create a new profile to preserve defaults. Then go straight to the thumbstick settings, reduce sensitivity values, and increase dead zones slightly. This reduces micro movements registering. Once set, save the profile so you have a safe baseline to iterate from. Now you'll refine how the stick responds and why those choices matter. Reduce horizontal and vertical sensitivity in 10 to 30% steps, testing after each change so you don't overcompensate. Increase the dead zone to between about 3 and 10% to cut out small jitters. This removes accidental inputs near center. Enable or raise smoothing/response curve so initial stick travel produces gentler on-screen movement. Once done, test in a training area or menu. Iterate until the control finish by locking in your working setup and validating it across real play. Save the adjusted profile to the controller and cloud so you can restore it instantly. Then test in multiple games because each title can feel different. If something still feels off, recalibrate the sticks in the app and check for firmware updates to the controller. If persistent drift or extreme sensitivity remains, clean around the thumbstick, try a different controller, or replace the stick module. If all else fails, contact support for repair options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.